What's up guys, how are you doing? In this video I am going to show you how to download the fonts for Pixell Lab to edit the videos and your fonts, text, everything. So let's get So obviously you need to download the Archiver app to send the fonts file in the type darfont.com. Download any font in the website here. So for example I will download this Bright Dream and Roseland. Download the two files here and open your Archiver app. After opening your app, go in the download. You can see the Bright Dream zip app. Download your font. Click on it and extract it. Go in the device memory. Go in the fonts and extract it here. It is successfully done the TTF file. And again the next font, second font we have downloaded, extract it also. Go in the fonts folder. If you are not create it, extract it here, and it is simply done. Here it is on the top. So it is almost done. So now go in the Pixell Lab, go in the fonts. You can see my fonts and see here it is all done.